Hi, Dan Paladin with the first episode of the Mortgage Morsel for 2018, and want to wish everybody much success. And this program I'm about to talk about might help you do that. Today I wanted to briefly tell you about a conventional renovation loan that can help turn what you thought might be a cash-only transaction into a financeable transaction. Home-style loan renovation allows to combine the purchase and costs for renovations as part of the purchase process. So I hope you caught that. Eligibility property types are single family, 2 to 4 units, PUDs, and condos. Occupancy types include not just primary, but second homes and investment properties as well. Are your ears ringing about with that one? Investment properties as well. Max loan to value is 95%, depending on occupancy and property type. Your max loan limit is subject to the county. Your minimum FICO is 620 for conforming loan amounts and 680 for high balance loan amounts if your county is subject to high balance. Full builder third-party contracts only. What that means is no self-builders. The major difference between this renovation loan program and the FHA 203K is that luxury items are allowed, such as decks, outdoor kitchens, pools, etc. So next time you think an ugly property might be a cash-only contract, contact me regarding home-style renovation loan, and maybe we can get that property sold with financing. So that's it for this episode. So make it a great weekend. And if you're working, I'm working. And I'll see you next time on the Mortgage Morsel.